Hello friends, this is Dr. Divya and welcome to 10th Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Pharma Leaders Business Leadership Awards. Today we are over here to discuss the Healthcare Roundtable, fixing the healthcare chaos and transforming healthcare delivery system. So let's get started.
Renganathan, as you know that the healthcare industry in India is actually going through a lot of chaos and turmoil at this moment, and there are various factors which are affecting it, which we are going to address during our conversation. But to start with, I want to know your point of view on that.
In fact, when I say chaos, it is the way how we look at it.
Correct.
In the form of reforms, there are many things are happening. One side, the US is hitting the industry.
Correct.
Where the Indian industry, a lot of dependency was there with the US because we were supplying API and also we were supplying the formulations. Now, the API restrictions are coming. So the companies need to get prepared for that. On the other hand, without having an adequate backup and infrastructure support, like the bioequivalent study has to be performed when the generics comes in. So a lot of changes are happening in the policy of the government, and the pricing side it is having a pressure.
Correct, because government is actually taking care of a lot of things. They are trying to push the pharma industry to reduce the costing.
So they try making it as an opportunity to demonstrate something favorable to the public.
Correct.
But they're hitting their own industry. When one side US is hitting, another side Indian government is hitting, it is extremely difficult for the industry to survive and come up. This is actually a healthcare industry.
Yeah.
You need to support and protect those who are encouraging the healthcare, which is only 1.3% of the GDP.
Yeah. It should be a win-win situation both for the healthcare industry as well as the public who are the end users.
Correct.
So what is your point of view on that? How we can actually find a common ground?
When it comes to healthcare, medicine is very important. Infrastructure with respect to hospitals, it is coming up.
Yeah.
Government side, the infrastructure needs to improve. And the price for medicine, in India if you pay, it's one time as a cost. In Europe it is 10 times. In US it is 20 times.
Correct.
So that disparity needs to come up. Indian government should support for Indian industry so that the products are available for the patients at an available, affordable cost. It is not only squeezing the industry, making it available, it's not the right
Correct.
approach.
The policies should be such that it should actually benefit somewhere or support somewhere to the healthcare industry also.
Some encouragement is needed.
Yes, encouragement is needed. Apart from that, we see that if you talk about US, if you talk about other European countries, they have a well-reformed public healthcare system, which is missing in India. So what is your point of view on that?
See, healthcare is an agenda of any government.
Correct.
They provide healthcare up to the level of patient's requirement according to the reimbursement ability. In India, the basic healthcare only is provided for the public. More than 40% of the population below the poverty line they don't have any access to the basic medicine.
Correct.
That's a huge segment. And at every price point, there are patient pool is available, which can be supported at the lower end. The government has to take major initiative to support below 40% of the population.
That's true, because public healthcare system is really very poor, and that is the reason that majority of the people, they're not getting a legit healthcare.
Correct.
In India.
It's true. So government has to encourage making the doctors, not only by ordering them to be available in the rural area, where they need to provide the support for them to have a good infrastructure to take care of the patients. It is also needed in that way.
Thank you so much. Before we sign off, I wish if you can just tell our viewers something about the take from your point of view.
So I am actually being a part of the healthcare industry. I've been here for the last 33 years. And I've been watching a lot of changes which is coming on the right direction. But everything when happens in one go, the changes, the challenges are manifold. It is very difficult for the industry to cope up to the need. It's a time government has to partner and work together as a team can achieve better things.
And we just hope that this should happen anytime soon.
We hope for the best.
Yeah. Thank you so much.